Now to an entirely predictable consequence of lockdowns and COVID overreach. As The Guardian reports, experts have warned that Europe faces a cancer epidemic. Turns out the preoccupation with COVID at the expense of every other health issue has seen some 1 million cancer patients miss their diagnosis. That means more early deaths as cancers are caught and treated later than they otherwise would be. Now, as I said, this terrible outcome was entirely predictable. But it wasn't too long ago when if you warned that lockdowns and COVID overreach would lead to a surge in cancer deaths, well, you'd be attacked and maligned, as a number of presenters on this very network found out. We were warning you in early 2020 about the dangers of following the Chinese Communist Party's lockdown strategy, when the rest of the media was relentlessly scaremongering about coronavirus. So while The Guardian reports about a cancer epidemic in November 2022, we were discussing that very issue here in early 2020. Indeed, it was in April 2020 that I wrote this in the Herald Sun about the loss of life we can expect from a cancer epidemic because the world has become entirely preoccupied with one virus with a fatality rate far lower than first feared. The dire health consequences of lockdowns were obvious from day one. But even when renowned experts like Professor Martin Kulldorff or Professor Jay Bhattacharya gave these warnings, they were ignored and attacked, as we were on this station.